and then continuing to head toward the northeast up over Canada. You can see the Quest airlock there on the far right-hand portion of the screen there. And that is also going to be the scene of quite a bit of activity over the next couple of hours as the crew gets ready to review the procedures for tomorrow's spacewalk. This will be the first of the mission. It'll be conducted by Garrett Reisman and Steve Bowen. They will be camping out tonight inside that Quest airlock at a reduced atmosphere. They're going to take it down to 10.2 psi. This will allow them to get their bodies prepared, get all the nitrogen out of their bloodstreams, and it reduces the amount of time that they have to spend getting ready tomorrow morning before they head out of the door. The robotics officer inside the space station flight control room is confirming that the arm with this integrated cargo carrier on the end of it is at the pre-install position. This is basically the next to last step before they will push this cargo carrier down toward where it's going to be mounted on the mobile base system. In this view, you can see the Dexter robot there at the top center part of your screen. Part of this cargo carrier has some spare parts for Dexter to use. There's sort of a worksite platform that Dexter will be able to be mounted on top of that has 3 different sides to it, so that if Dexter is working with its 2 arms that you see there, it can actually pick up something outside the station, store it down on that worksite platform, one of the sides of it, which will free up its arm to do some more work.
Robo going into maneuvers for grapple.
We copy, Piers. We're ready.
The crew is steadily working to get this integrated cargo carrier successfully installed on the mobile base system. There's a payload attachment point on there that this will be mounted on.
Houston Station 1 for SSRMS. We show ourselves at the end of step 11.2.
We copy, Tracy. Thanks for all the great work. We'll take it from here. And as you know, if you do see the things moving outside, we will be continuing with robo-ops for the next quite a few hours.
Thanks, Rob. Thanks, Rob. Thanks for the great support, you guys.
Once they get a verification that this cargo carrier is adequately attached to this payload attachment point on the outside of the station's arm will be released and will back away from it, and its job will be wrapped up for the day. Meanwhile, Garrett Reisman and Steve Bowen are currently inside the Quest airlock. They're wearing some oxygen masks at this point in time. This is all standard procedure for them to breathe some enriched oxygen for about 45 minutes. They will be able to close the hatch between Quest and the rest of the station coming up in about 15 minutes or so. And then once that is done, they will reduce the pressure inside Quest from 14.4, where it's at right now, down to 10.2 psi. And that is where it will stay overnight. This is Mission Control Houston. Back now with live coverage from inside the Space Shuttle Flight Control